Hi viewers, today I am going to share with you avocado facial mask. Here are some facial masks with avocado. Anti-aging. Avocados are anti-aging. They go deep into pores so that all vitamins and healthy nutrients goes into the skin. They keep skin hydrated. For this, we need avocado and honey. Now let us start the procedure. Cut the avocado and take small piece. Mash it with a spoon. Mash it well. Now add 1 tablespoon of honey. And warm water. Mix all ingredients well to get a fine paste. Now clean your face and apply this paste all over the skin and leave it for 20 minutes. Then wash it off with warm water. Apply this mask twice in a week. By doing this regularly, you will get a firm, younger, glowing skin. Moisturizer. Avocado for moisturizing. Avocado contains vitamin C, E and many more fatty acids, which keep skin hydrated and moisturized. For this mask, we need avocado, honey and curd. Let's start the process. Take avocado pieces into a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of curd. And 1 tablespoon of honey. Blend these ingredients in a blender and make a fine paste. After blending, take the mixture into a bowl. Now clean your face and apply this all over your face and leave it for 20 minutes. Then wash it off with warm water. By doing this regularly, weekly twice, you can get a moisturized glowing skin. Avocado for acne and dry skin. Avocado is good for dry skin. For this we need avocado, honey and lemon. Honey is antibacterial and antioxidant. It opens pore and acts as great moisturizer. Lemon. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and so many other skin beneficial nutrients. It is a good cleanser. Now let us start the process. Take avocado pieces into a bowl. Mash them well. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix well. Now mask is ready. Apply this all over your face and leave it for 20 minutes and wash it off with warm water. Do this twice in a week. This pack helps to reduce acne, pimples and blemishes and keeps your skin moisturized. Glowing and whitening skin. Avocado is having fatty acids that are very good for skin. For this we need avocado, olive oil and curd. Avocado. Avocado is having so many fatty acids that are very good for skin. Olive oil. Olive oil is rich in vitamin E and highly essential for skin. Take avocado, cut the avocado and take some pieces into a bowl. Mash it well. Add some curd and 1 tablespoon of olive oil and mix well. The mask is ready. Wash your face, apply it on your face, leave it for 20 minutes and wash it off with warm water. By doing this weekly thrice, you will get a bright, whitening and glowing skin. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.